Hi, I'm just going through my hives, and I'm just showing you what I do in the spring. This hive looks fairly decent. It's got about 7 frames of brood. Probably won't do a split with this one here. I'm just showing you that brood pattern so-so. I'm probably going to look at requeening this queen maybe in the summertime. We'll see how she looks. Anyways, the queen is right here. I'll just see if I can get her into the camera. If not, I could move the camera. Anyways, she's starting to run a little bit, so I won't spend too much time here with this frame. I'll just tell you what I'm going to do here. With my hives that have got no queens in them, or they're queenless, or they're drone layers, or they're just simply not laying, I brush them out, get new fresh brood from, there she went on the other side. So we can put her back. Here she comes. I brush all my hives out and that are queenless and drone layers, and I start with new hives, or new brood, new bees, and I simply take those boxes and move them to my next yard, and we go from there. Anyways, I'm going to put this frame back. I don't want to cool the brood, or I don't want to get the queen running too fast. Thank you.